Chief Minister N. Biren today announced that the coronavirus lockdown restrictions in Manipur has been extended for another 15 days. The ongoing lockdown ends on 30th June. During a press conference at the CM Bungalow in Imphal today, Chief Minister also announced that the inter-district bus service will be resumed. He said the decision was taken during a meeting of the Government COVID-19 Management Committee yesterday. In Manipur, 17 more persons were confirmed positive of COVID-19 in the last 24 hours, taking the total tally to 1,092 in the state. Nagaland today registered 25 new COVID-19 positive cases. With these new cases, the total number of COVID-19 patients in the state went up to 412. According to reports, these new cases are from the 609 samples tested yesterday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said India has shown the world its sense of fraternity during the coronavirus pandemic and its strength and commitment to protecting its sovereignty and borders as he addressed Man Ki Baat, his monthly radio program. In Ladakh, a befitting reply has been given to those coveting our territories. India knows how to maintain friendships, but it can also look someone in the eye and retaliate and give an apt reply, PM Modi said during the 66th episode of Man Ki Baat. The highest single-day spike of 19,906 novel coronavirus cases took India's confirmed case tally to 5,28,859 according to the latest Health Ministry figures. The latest COVID-19 figures as of this morning show a spike of 19,906 fresh coronavirus cases and 410 deaths in the last 24 hours in the country. The death toll now stands at 16,095, while the total of over 5 lakh cases includes 2,03,051 active cases and 3,09,713 cured, discharged or migrated cases. Assam is reeling under the effect of the deluge caused by the heavy rainfall in the past few days. Dibrugarh, Dhemaji and Majuli districts are the worst affected district. Kaziranga National Park has also been flooded. Meanwhile, COVID-19 cases are on the rise in Assam's capital city Guwahati, while Kaliabar, Bishwanath Chariali and Dibrugarh has also recorded a surge in the virus cases. The COVID-19 tally in Assam now touches 7,169 with 10 fatalities. Inmates of a quarantine center at Moijing High School in Thoubal district staged a sit-in protest in front of the school gate yesterday against alleged negligence of the authorities concerned. 20 inmates in the quarantine center, run under the supervision of Thoubal constituency MLA, have tested positive for COVID-19, triggering fear among the inmates. The inmates during the protest demanded the authorities to take proper steps to ensure safety to the inmates of the center. The United Nations Human Rights Council UNHRC has exhorted India to immediately release activists Akhil Gogoi, Devangana Kalita and human rights defender who have been arrested for protesting against the Citizenship Amendment Act CAA. According to media reports, the UNHRC yesterday in a statement from Geneva said that it was their right to denounce and protest against the CAA. China has said that it is moving 20 martial art trainers to the Tibetan plateau to train its forces after at least 20 Indian troops were killed in clashes with the Chinese border forces recently at Galwan Valley in Ladakh. According to media reports, no official reason for the decision has been given.